Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to explain Havells India Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss consolidated year on year and quarter on quarter results. We will give more importance for year on year results. Here amount in crores. First one is revenue from operations. So we are comparing year on year. That means we will compare last year June results with current year June results. So previous year revenue from operations is 1483 crores. Current year 2609 crores. Here revenue from operations increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 75.9% year on year revenue was increased. This is positive sign. Later expenses. First one is cost of raw materials. So previous year 480 crores. This year 292 crores. Here cost of raw material consumed increased. Later purchase of traded goods. Previous year 181 crores. Here 319 crores. Here purchase of traded goods increased. Later change in inventories. Previous year 298 crores. This year 66 crores. Here change in inventories decreased. Later employee benefit expenses. Previous year 177 crores. Current year 234 crores. Here employee benefit expense increased. So here how much increase means approximately 60 crores was increased. We need to analyze that employee benefit expenses increased for employees or management salaries. Later finance cost. Previous year 16 crores, this year 10 crores. They are paying only 10 crores as interest and also interest was decreased from 16 crores to 10 crores. So Havells India is zero debt company, that is positive sign. Later depreciation. Previous year 60 crores, now 61 crores. We'll ignore this one. Later other expenses. Here advertisement and sales promotion. Previous year 6 crores, current year 45 crores. Previous year due to lockdown, I think they did not do more business. For that purpose, they did not spend money for advertisement. Current year they spent 45 crores. Here advertisement expenses increased from 6 crores to 45 crores. Later others. Previous year 200 crores, current year 297 crores. Now check profit before tax. So previous year 86 crores, current year 316 crores. Here approximately 240 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here profit before tax increased 265%. This is positive sign. Here revenues are 75%, but profit before tax is 265%. This is positive sign. Later income tax expenses. Here current tax, previous year 16 crores, current year 78 crores. Here approximately 60 crores was increased. Later deferred tax, previous year 6 crores, current year 2 crores. So overall tax expense are previous year 22 crores, current year 81 crores. So due to high profit before tax, here they are paying more tax. Later profit for the period, previous quarter 63 crores, current year 235 crores. So this is positive sign. We'll check it in percentage. At 268% year on year increase. This is positive sign. Later, here paid up equity share capital. Previous year 62.6 crores, current year 62.63 crores. So here only little bit increase. We'll ignore this one. Later earning per share. Previous year 1.02 rupees, current year 3.77 rupees. Here earning per share was increased from 1.02 rupees to 3.7 rupees. This is positive sign. We need to remember one thing. Due to lockdown in the previous year, here in June quarter, so profits was decreased. So current year also lockdown happened, but only few days. Due to that one, here profits are increased. Now check quarter on quarter results. So in previous quarter, 3,339 crores revenue from operations. This quarter, 2,609 crores. Here revenue from operations decreased. We'll check it in percentage. So 21.8% decrease on quarter, Later profit before tax. Previous quarter 456 quarter. Previous quarter 456 crores. Current year 316 crores. Here decreased. Here approximately 140 crores decrease. We'll check it in percentage. Here 30% quarter on quarter decrease. Later profit for the period. Previous quarter 303 crores. Current year 235 crores. Here approximately 70 crores was decreased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 22% decreased. What we understood based on year-on-year results and quarter-on-quarter results. Havells India year-on-year results are very good, but quarter-on-quarter results are not good. But we'll give more importance for year-on-year. So Havells India year-on-year results are excellent. Now we'll check few more points. We'll go down. Here we have segment results. So here segment revenue, segment results. First one segment revenue. First one is here A switchgears. Previous year 190 crores, current year 377 crores. Here switchgears revenue was increased. Later cable it was increased from 461 crores to 807 crores. Later lighting and fixtures it was increased from 142 crores to 214 crores. Later electrical consumer durables it was increased from 301 crores to 576 crores. Later Lloyd consumer it was increased from 306 crores to 497 crores. And others increased from 81 crores to 137 crores. Here revenue was increased in all segments. This is positive side. Now we'll check segment profits. Here switchgears it was increased from 29 crores to 103 crores. Later cable it was increased from 36 crores to 126 crores. Later lighting and fixtures 3 crores to 33 crores. Later electrical consumer durables 37 crores to 67 crores. Later Lloyd consumer increased from 6 crores to 9 crores. Here in all the segments the revenues and profits are increased. This is positive sign. So current price of Havells India is 1103 rupees. We'll check the dividends. Under corporate actions, in 2018 they gave 4 rupees as dividend. In 2019 4.5 rupees. Here 50 paise increase. Later in 2020 4 rupees. Here 50 paise decrease. Later in 2021 they gave 6.5 rupees. Here dividend was increased from 4 rupees to 6.5 rupees means 2.5 rupee was increased. That is approximately 60%. That is good sign. Now check valuation ratios. Here current ROC is 29%. This is good figure. And ROE is 21.2%. This is also good figure. Here debt to equity is 0.1. That means they have minimal debt or zero debt. That is positive sign. Later 10 years free cash flow 3626 crores. So here this is positive free cash flow. This is positive sign. Later price to sales is 5.9. What is the price to sales? To generate 1 rupee sales we are giving 6 rupees. Here price to sales is 6. It's looking high, but based on other good parameters this is also reasonable. Now let's check 1 year price chart and results. Here we have 1 year price chart. Before 1 year, price is 600 rupees. Current 1100 rupees. It was increased from 600 to 1100 rupees in 1 year. We'll check the results. Here we have last 1 year results. In June quarter, here 45% sales decrease and also profits also decrease 63%. Later in September quarter, here 10% sales increase and 81% profits increased. In December quarter, 39% sales increase and 74% profits increase. In March quarter, 50% sales increase and here profits increase 70%. If you observe these 4 quarter results, last year June quarter sales and profits are not good. Later remaining 3 quarters got good results. This is positive sign. Due to these results, the price was increased from here 720 rupees to 1100 rupees. So here starting it was increased from 600 to 700. Here 100 rupees increase. Later it was increased from 700 to 1100. So this is reasonable. Now I'll check PE of this company. Before results, PE is 66. After results, PE is 56. Due to good results, PE was reduced from 66 to 56. Here 10 points was reduced. That is positive sign. Now we'll compare current PE with 3 years and 5 years median PE. Here 3 years median PE is 62, 5 years median PE is 60, 8 years median PE is 49. So here for 5 years and 8 years, its PE is above 50. Current PE is below the 3 years median PE and 5 years median PE. That means currently Havells India is undervalued. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.